If you're over 60 and noticing your strength slipping away, don't panic. You've just stumbled onto something most people never find in time. You're incredibly lucky to have found this video because most seniors are fighting muscle loss in silence, not knowing that certain foods can actually slow it down or even reverse it. If your muscles could choose one food to eat every single day, they would choose eggs without hesitation. Each whole egg delivers 6 grams of complete protein, which means it contains every single amino acid your muscles need to repair and grow stronger. But what makes eggs truly extraordinary for rebuilding your muscle mass is an amino acid called leucine. Think of leucine as the key that starts your muscle building engine. Your aging muscles become more resistant to building new tissue, but leucine forces them to pay attention and start the rebuilding process. Here's something most people get wrong about eggs. They throw away the yolks. Don't make this mistake. The yolk contains vitamin D, which your muscles absolutely require to function properly. Without adequate vitamin D, your muscles become weak and unresponsive, no matter how much protein you eat. You should eat 2 to 3 whole eggs daily for optimal muscle building. Cook them gently, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled over low heat. This preserves the delicate protein structure that makes eggs so effective. Have them for breakfast with whole grain toast, or add hard-boiled eggs to your afternoon salad. The beauty of eggs is that they start working immediately. Within hours of eating eggs, your muscles begin receiving a steady stream of amino acids that fuel the rebuilding process. This is why eggs should be your first line of defense against muscle loss. While eggs are working their magic in your system, our second muscle-building powerhouse takes the rebuilding process to the next level. Greek yogurt is like having a muscle-building laboratory in a convenient cup. A single serving contains 20 grams of protein. That's more than 3 whole eggs worth of muscle-building power. What makes Greek yogurt particularly brilliant for your aging muscles is that it contains 2 different types of protein that work together like a perfectly orchestrated team. Whey protein gets absorbed quickly, immediately flooding your muscles with amino acids. Quin protein releases slowly over several hours, providing a continuous supply of muscle-building materials. This dual protein system is exactly what your muscles need as you age. Your body becomes less efficient at using protein, so having both fast and slow-acting proteins ensures that your muscles stay in building mode for hours after eating. Greek yogurt also delivers calcium and vitamin D in a form that your body can easily absorb. Your muscles need calcium to contract properly, and vitamin D deficiency is one of the hidden reasons why many seniors feel weak and unsteady. Choose plain Greek yogurt over flavored varieties, which are loaded with sugars that can actually interfere with muscle building. Add fresh berries for natural sweetness, or mix in a tablespoon of ground flaxseed for omega-3 fatty acids that reduce muscle inflammation. The protein in Greek yogurt is so effective that research shows it can help seniors regain muscle mass even without exercise, though combining it with physical activity amplifies the results dramatically. Building on the protein foundation from eggs and Greek yogurt, our third muscle-building champion brings something extra to the table that your aging muscles desperately need: salmon and other fatty fish. A 4-ounce serving of salmon provides 25 grams of complete protein, but it's the omega-3 fatty acids that make this fish truly special for muscle rebuilding. As you age, your muscles develop chronic inflammation that acts like a brake on the muscle-building process. This inflammation makes it harder for your muscles to respond to protein and exercise. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon, particularly EPA and DHA, are like turning off that inflammatory brake and allowing your muscles to function like they did when you were younger. Recent breakthrough research has shown that omega-3s can actually restore the muscle-building response in older adults to levels similar to younger people. This means that when you eat salmon, you're not just getting high-quality protein, you're getting nutrients that help your body use that protein more effectively than it has in years. Salmon is also one of the few foods that naturally contains meaningful amounts of vitamin D. Many seniors are severely deficient in vitamin D without knowing it, and this deficiency can cut your muscle strength by up to 25%. Just 2 servings of salmon per week can significantly improve your vitamin D status. The key is choosing wild-caught salmon when possible, as it contains higher levels of omega-3s and fewer contaminants than farm-raised varieties. If fresh salmon isn't always available, canned salmon and sardines are excellent alternatives that are budget-friendly and convenient. Don't overlook other fatty fish like mackerel, herring, and tuna. These fish provide the same muscle-building benefits and can add variety to your meals while keeping your muscles in constant rebuilding mode. While fish provides the omega-3s your muscles crave, lean beef delivers something equally important that most other proteins can't match: a complete package of muscle-building nutrients that work together in ways that will surprise you. A 3-ounce serving of lean beef provides 22 grams of complete protein, but it's the additional nutrients that make beef a muscle-building superstar. Lean beef is one of the richest sources of creatine in the diet. You might think creatine is just for young athletes, but research shows it's particularly beneficial for seniors. Creatine helps your muscles produce energy more efficiently, which means you can maintain your strength and power as you age. This is crucial because muscle power, the ability to generate force quickly, declines even faster than muscle mass as you get older. The iron in beef is particularly important for your muscles. Iron carries oxygen to your muscle cells. An iron deficiency can leave you feeling weak and fatigued, even if you're eating adequate protein. The iron in beef is hemi-iron, which your body absorbs much more efficiently than the iron found in plant foods. Beef also provides zinc in amounts that are difficult to get from other foods. Zinc is essential for protein synthesis and muscle repair. Even mild zinc deficiency can significantly impair your body's ability to build and maintain muscle mass, making adequate zinc intake crucial for seniors. Choose lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or round cuts to get all these muscle-building benefits while keeping saturated fat moderate. Grass-fed beef contains higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and other beneficial nutrients compared to grain-fed beef. The key to preparing beef for optimal muscle building is using gentle cooking methods like slow cooking, braising, or grilling at moderate temperatures. These methods keep the meat tender and preserve the protein quality while making it easier to digest. Following the powerful punch of lean beef, our 5th muscle-building food might seem humble, but cottage cheese is actually one of the most strategically important foods for rebuilding your muscle mass. 1 cup contains an impressive 28 grams of protein, making it one of the most protein-dense foods you can eat. What makes cottage cheese particularly valuable for your aging muscles is its unique protein composition. Cottage cheese is primarily casein protein, which digests slowly and provides a steady release of amino acids for up to 7 hours after eating. This extended release is crucial for seniors because your muscles need a constant supply of amino acids to stay in building mode. This slow release property makes cottage cheese perfect for eating before bedtime. While you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, and having a steady supply of amino acids available prevents your muscles from breaking down during the overnight fast. Many seniors unknowingly lose muscle mass during sleep because they don't have adequate amino acids available for repair and maintenance. Cottage cheese is also exceptionally rich in calcium and phosphorus, both of which are essential for muscle contraction. The calcium in cottage cheese is particularly well absorbed because it's paired with protein and other nutrients that enhance absorption. This is important because calcium absorption decreases with age, making it crucial to choose calcium sources that your body can actually use. The versatility of cottage cheese makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Eat it straight from the container for a quick protein boost. Mix it with berries for a satisfying snack, or use it as a base for dips and spreads. For maximum muscle building benefit, try cottage cheese with a small amount of fruit before bed. The combination provides both slow digesting protein and a small amount of carbohydrates that can improve protein utilization. Choose full-fat cottage cheese when possible, as the additional calories and fat-soluble vitamins can be beneficial for seniors who may be underweight or have difficulty absorbing nutrients. While the previous foods have been primarily protein sources, our sixth muscle-building champion brings something different to your plate that your muscles need just as much. Quinoa, the ancient grain that's actually a complete protein powerhouse. What makes quinoa revolutionary for muscle building is that it's one of the few plant foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids in the right proportions. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides 8 grams of complete protein, but it's the combination of protein and complex carbohydrates that makes quinoa particularly effective for rebuilding muscle mass. The carbohydrates in quinoa help drive amino acids into your muscle cells, making the protein more effective than if you ate it alone. Quinoa is exceptionally rich in magnesium, a mineral that many seniors are deficient in without realizing it. Magnesium is involved in over 300 reactions in your body, including muscle contraction, protein synthesis, and energy production. When you're magnesium deficient, your muscles can't contract properly, and the muscle building process slows down significantly. The combination of complete protein and magnesium makes quinoa particularly valuable for seniors who experience muscle cramps or feel weak during physical activity. The magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax smoothly, while the protein provides the building blocks for stronger muscle fibers. Quinoa also provides iron and B vitamins, both of which are crucial for energy production and muscle function. The iron helps deliver oxygen to your muscles during activity, while B vitamins help your body convert food into energy that your muscles can use. The versatility of quinoa makes it easy to include in multiple meals throughout the day. Use it as a breakfast porridge with milk and fruit, as a base for lunch salads, or as a side dish with your protein source at dinner. The key is to rinse quinoa thoroughly before cooking to remove its natural coating, which can taste bitter. For maximum muscle building benefit, combine quinoa with one of our previous protein sources. Try quinoa with scrambled eggs for breakfast, or serve it alongside salmon for dinner. Continuing our journey through plant-based muscle builders, lentils and their legume cousins, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans represent one of the most underestimated muscle-building food groups available to seniors. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides 18 grams of protein, along with a remarkable array of nutrients that support muscle health in ways that might surprise you. While legumes aren't complete proteins on their own, they're incredibly rich in lysine, an amino acid that's often lacking in grains. This is why traditional food combinations like rice and beans or hummus with pita bread are so nutritionally intelligent. They create complete proteins that rival those found in animal foods. Lentils are particularly rich in folate, a B vitamin that's essential for cell division and protein synthesis. As you age, your body's ability to absorb folate decreases. Yet, your need for it increases because folate is required for building new muscle cells. The folate in lentils helps ensure that your body can actually create new muscle tissue from the protein you're eating. The iron content in lentils is substantial, providing about 37% of your daily needs in just 1 cup. While this is non-heme iron that's not as easily absorbed as the iron in meat, you can dramatically improve absorption by eating lentils with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes, bell peppers, or citrus fruits. Legumes also provide potassium, which is crucial for proper muscle function and preventing cramps. Many seniors don't get enough potassium, and this deficiency can contribute to muscle weakness and fatigue. The potassium in legumes helps your muscles contract efficiently and recover properly after activity. The fiber in legumes provides an additional benefit that's often overlooked in muscle building discussions. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that can interfere with muscle building. Stable blood sugar also helps optimize hormone production, including growth hormone and insulin-like growth factor, both of which are important for muscle development. One of the greatest advantages of legumes is their convenience and affordability. Dried lentils cook quickly without requiring soaking, making them perfect for busy seniors. Canned legumes are equally nutritious and even more convenient. Just rinse them to reduce sodium content. From the substantial protein of legumes, we move to some of nature's most concentrated muscle buildings, packages, nuts, and seeds. These small but mighty foods pack an incredible nutritional punch that can significantly enhance your muscle building efforts. What makes nuts and seeds particularly valuable is their unique combination of protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals that work together to optimize muscle function. Almonds lead the way with 6 grams of protein per ounce, along with vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy monounsaturated fats. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your muscle cells from damage during exercise and recovery. As you age, your muscles become more susceptible to oxidative damage, making the antioxidant protection from almonds increasingly important. Pumpkin seeds are absolute powerhouses for muscle building, providing 9 grams of protein per ounce, along with exceptional amounts of zinc and magnesium. The zinc in pumpkin seeds is particularly important for seniors because zinc deficiency becomes more common with age and can significantly impair muscle building and testosterone production. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds provides about 23% of your daily zinc needs. Chia seeds and flax seeds bring something special to your muscle-building arsenal: plant-based omega-3 fatty acids and complete proteins. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 4 grams of complete protein and provide all essential amino acids. These tiny seeds also expand when mixed with liquid, helping you feel full and satisfied while providing sustained energy. Walnuts are unique among nuts because they're exceptionally rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. While not as potent as the omega-3s found in fish, the ALA in walnuts still helps reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and omega-3s makes walnuts particularly beneficial for seniors dealing with joint pain or muscle inflammation. The healthy fats in nuts and seeds serve multiple purposes for muscle building. They help reduce inflammation, support hormone production, and improve the absorption of fats, soluble vitamins like vitamin D. These fats also provide concentrated energy that can fuel your workouts and daily activities. The key with nuts and seeds is understanding proper portion sizes. While they're incredibly nutritious, they're also calorie dense. A serving is typically 1 ounce or about a small handful. This amount provides significant nutritional benefits without excessive calories. Try adding a variety of nuts and seeds to your daily routine. Sprinkle them on Greek yogurt, add them to salads, or enjoy a small handful as a between meal snack. Soaking nuts overnight can make them easier to digest if you have sensitive digestion. While nuts and seeds provide concentrated nutrition, our 9th muscle building food serves a different but equally important role in rebuilding your muscle mass: sweet potatoes. Although sweet potatoes aren't high in protein themselves, they're absolutely essential for maximizing the muscle-building potential of all the protein-rich foods we've discussed. Here's why sweet potatoes are crucial for your muscles. They provide the high-quality carbohydrates that your muscles need for energy. When you don't eat enough carbohydrates, your body starts breaking down the protein from your meals and using it for energy instead of muscle building. Sweet potatoes prevent this from happening by providing your body with its preferred energy source. One medium sweet potato provides sustained energy through complex carbohydrates that are absorbed gradually, preventing the blood sugar spikes and crashes that can interfere with muscle building. This steady energy supply helps optimize hormone production, including insulin, which plays a crucial role in driving amino acids into your muscle cells. Sweet potatoes are incredibly rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for protein synthesis and muscle growth. Yet, many seniors don't get adequate amounts. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes is particularly well absorbed when the potatoes are cooked with a small amount of fat, making them perfect paired with nuts or olive oil. The potassium content in sweet potatoes is substantial, providing more potassium per serving than bananas. This potassium helps prevent muscle cramps and supports proper muscle function during physical activity. Many seniors experience muscle cramps due to potassium deficiency, making sweet potatoes an excellent addition to a muscle-building diet. Sweet potatoes also provide vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption from plant-based sources and supports collagen synthesis. Collagen is important for maintaining the structural integrity of your muscles and connective tissues. The fiber in sweet potatoes helps slow the absorption of sugars, maintaining stable blood sugar levels that support optimal muscle building. This fiber also promotes digestive health, which is important for absorbing all the nutrients from your muscle-building foods. Try baking sweet potatoes and topping them with Greek yogurt and nuts for a perfect post-workout meal. Sweet potato fries baked in the oven with a light coating of olive oil make an excellent side dish, and mashed sweet potatoes pair beautifully with any of our protein sources. Our final muscle-building champion brings us full circle to one of nature's most perfectly designed muscle-building beverages: milk. Whether you choose dairy milk or fortified plant-based alternatives, milk can be an exceptional addition to your muscle-building arsenal, providing a unique combination of nutrients that work together in powerful ways. 1 cup of whole milk provides 8 grams of complete protein. But what makes milk truly special is that it contains both whey and casein proteins in the ideal ratio. This means you get the immediate muscle-building benefits of fast-absorbing whey protein combined with the sustained amino acid release of slow-digesting casein protein. This dual protein system is exactly what your aging muscles need to stay in building mode throughout the day. The whey protein in milk is particularly rich in leucine, the amino acid that acts as a trigger for muscle protein synthesis. Research has shown that the leucine content in milk can help overcome the age-related resistance to muscle building that many seniors experience. This makes milk especially valuable for older adults who need a stronger signal to start the muscle building process. Milk is also an excellent source of calcium and vitamin D, both of which are crucial for muscle function and often deficient in seniors. The calcium in milk is particularly well absorbed because it's paired with protein and phosphorus, creating an optimal environment for absorption. This is important because calcium absorption decreases significantly with age. The natural sugars in milk, primarily lactose, provide quick energy that can help fuel your workouts and support recovery. The combination of protein and carbohydrates in milk creates an ideal environment for muscle protein synthesis, making it an excellent post-exercise beverage. Recent research has shown that drinking milk after resistance exercise can enhance muscle protein synthesis and promote muscle growth in older adults more effectively than many commercial sports drinks. The natural combination of nutrients in milk provides everything your muscles need for optimal recovery and growth. If you're lactose intolerant, don't worry. Lactose-free milk provides the same nutritional benefits without the digestive discomfort. Plant-based alternatives like soy milk, pea protein milk, or fortified almond milk can also be excellent choices. Just ensure they're fortified with calcium and vitamin D. For maximum muscle building benefit, try having a glass of milk with your post-workout meal. Use milk as the base for protein smoothies with fruits and nuts, or enjoy a warm glass of milk before bed to provide your muscles with overnight rebuilding materials. The beauty of milk is its convenience and versatility. It requires no preparation, travels well, and can be easily incorporated into meals and snacks throughout the day. Now that you understand the individual power of each of these 10 muscle-building foods, the real magic happens when you learn to combine them strategically throughout your day. The key to fighting sarcopenia isn't just eating these foods individually. It's about creating a symphony of nutrients that work together to keep your muscles in constant rebuilding mode. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast that sets the tone for muscle building. Try scrambled eggs with a side of Greek yogurt topped with berries and crushed walnuts. This combination provides both fast and slow digesting proteins, antioxidants to reduce inflammation, and healthy fats to support hormone production. For lunch, consider a quinoa salad loaded with chickpeas, almonds, and pieces of grilled salmon. This meal provides complete proteins from multiple sources, complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, and omega-3 fatty acids for inflammation control. The variety of amino acid profiles ensures your muscles receive everything they need for optimal growth. Your afternoon snack becomes a strategic muscle feeding opportunity. Try cottage cheese mixed with chopped nuts and a small amount of fruit. Or create a smoothie using milk, Greek yogurt, and a handful of berries. These snacks help maintain steady amino acid levels in your blood, preventing muscle breakdown between meals. For dinner, combine lean beef with roasted sweet potatoes and a side of lentils. This combination provides complete proteins, energizing carbohydrates, and fiber to support digestion and blood sugar control. The sweet potatoes provide the energy your muscles need, while the beef and lentils deliver complementary amino acid profiles. The timing of your protein intake is crucial for maximizing muscle building. Research shows that seniors should aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein at each meal, rather than having most of their protein at dinner. This approach helps optimize muscle protein synthesis throughout the day and prevents the muscle breakdown that can occur during long periods without adequate protein. Consider adding a bedtime snack of cottage cheese or a glass of milk. This provides your muscles with slow slow digesting proteins that prevent muscle breakdown during the overnight fast. Many seniors unknowingly lose muscle mass during sleep because they don't have adequate amino acids available for repair and maintenance. Beyond strategically combining these foods, several additional factors can dramatically enhance their muscle building effectiveness. First, and most importantly, stay consistently hydrated. Water is essential for protein synthesis and helps transport nutrients to your muscles. Dehydration can reduce muscle protein synthesis by up to 20%. Making adequate fluid intake crucial for muscle building. Consider the timing of your meals around physical activity. Eating a combination of protein and carbohydrates within 2 hours after exercise can help maximize muscle protein synthesis and recovery. This doesn't mean you need to eat immediately after exercise, but don't wait too long. The post-exercise period is when your muscles are most receptive to building new tissue. Pay attention to your vitamin D status. Many seniors are severely deficient in this crucial nutrient, which can significantly impact muscle strength and function. While fatty fish and fortified milk provide some vitamin D, you may need supplements to reach optimal levels. Consult with your healthcare provider about testing your vitamin D levels and determining if supplementation is necessary. Cooking methods can significantly impact the nutritional value of your foods. Gentle cooking methods like steaming, poaching, and slow cooking help preserve protein quality while making foods easier to digest. Avoid overcooking proteins as excessive heat can reduce their biological value and make them less effective for muscle building. Consider your individual needs and any challenges you face with eating. If you have difficulty chewing or swallowing, focus on softer proteins like eggs, yogurt, cottage cheese, and ground meats. If you're vegetarian or vegan, make sure to combine different plant proteins throughout the day to ensure you're getting all essential amino acids. Don't underestimate the importance of consistency. Building muscle is a gradual process that requires consistent nutrition over weeks and months. You won't see dramatic changes overnight, but with persistent effort, you will notice improvements in your strength, energy, and overall vitality. Remember that these foods work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management. The nutrients in these foods provide the raw materials for muscle building, but your muscles need the stimulus of physical activity to actually grow stronger. As we conclude this comprehensive guide to the 10 most powerful foods for stopping sarcopenia and rebuilding muscle mass, I want you to understand that you now possess knowledge that can literally transform your physical capabilities and independence as you age. Sarcopenia might be common among seniors, but it's absolutely not inevitable when you know how to fight back with the right nutrition. These 10 foods, eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon and fatty fish, lean beef, cottage cheese, quinoa, lentils and legumes, nuts and seeds, sweet potatoes and milk, represent your arsenal in the battle against muscle loss. They're not expensive supplements with questionable benefits or hard-to-find exotic ingredients. They're real whole foods that have been supporting human health for generations and are available in every grocery store. The key to success is starting where you are and building gradually. You don't need to completely overhaul your diet overnight. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 of these foods into your daily routine this week. Maybe start your day with eggs and Greek yogurt, or add a serving of salmon to your weekly meal plan. Small, consistent changes will compound into dramatic improvements over time. I encourage you to share this information with friends and family members who could benefit from it. Muscle loss affects millions of seniors, but with the right knowledge, we can help more people maintain their strength and independence as they age. If this information has been valuable to you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health and nutrition content designed specifically for seniors. Your support helps us continue providing this crucial information to people who need it.